Another day, another story. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with numbers, letters, called variables, and symbols to solve problems and understand relationships between quantities. It's like solving puzzles with numbers and letters instead of pictures. In algebra, we use equations and expressions to represent real-world situations or mathematical concepts. Equations have an equal sign, smiley face, and show that two things are the same, while expressions are combinations of numbers and variables without an equal sign. Here are some key concepts in algebra. Variables. Letters like x, y, or z represent unknown numbers in algebra. We use them to find the value of an unknown quantity. Expressions. A combination of numbers, variables, and mathematical operations like addition, plus, subtraction, multiplication, asterisk, and division. For example, 2x plus 5 is an expression. Equations. Sentences with an equal sign that show two expressions are equal. Solving equations involves finding the value of the variable that makes the equation true. For example, 3x equals 12 is an equation, and the solution is x equals 4. Simplification. Combining like terms and performing mathematical operations to make expressions shorter and easier to work with. Solving for a variable. Finding the value of a variable in an equation or expression. This helps us understand relationships between different quantities. Graphs. Representing equations and data on a coordinate plane using x and y axes. It helps visualize relationships and patterns. Algebra is essential in various fields, including science, engineering, finance, and many other areas where you need to analyze and solve problems involving unknown quantities. By understanding algebra, you can develop problem-solving skills and tackle more complex mathematical challenges. Here are some examples of algebraic expressions and equations. Algebraic expressions. 1. 3x plus 5. This expression represents a quantity that is 3 times a variable, x, added to 5. 2. 2y7. Here, y is multiplied by 2, and then 7 is subtracted from the result. 3. 4a squared 2b plus 3. This expression includes variables raised to powers, a squared, and a constant term, plus 3. Equations. 1. 2x plus 8 equals 14. This equation asks to find the value of x, that makes the left-hand side equal to 14. 2. 3y5 equals 7. In this case, we need to solve for y, by isolating the variable on one side of the equation. 3. 5a plus 2b equals 12. An equation with two variables, a and b, and we can find solutions for both. Simplification. 1. Simplify 2x plus 3x. By combining like terms, we get 5x. 2. Simplify 4, 2y plus 1. Distribute the 4 across the parentheses to get 8y plus 4. Solving for a variable. 1. Solve for x. In the equation 3 times 6 equals 15. Add 6 to both sides, then divide by 3 to find x equals 7. 2. Find y. In the expression 2y plus 10 equals 30. Subtract 10 from both sides, then divide by 2 to get y equals 10. Graphs. 1. Graph the equation y equals 2x plus 3. It represents a straight line with a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of 3. 2. Plot the points, 1, 2, and 3, 5, and draw a line connecting them. This helps visualize a linear relationship between two sets of values. These are just a few examples of algebraic concepts. Algebra allows us to solve a wide range of problems in various fields by using symbols and equations to represent relationships and analyze data.